your girl Indaynamo, and welcome back to my English channel. Hi guys! So today, meron tayong lakad. So mamaya dadali ko kayo kung saan tayo pupunta today. So yes guys, see ya! Okay guys, so nandito ako ngayon sa loob ng PhilPost. So dito check natin kung meron na tayong AdSense mail. Tama ba yan? So, ayun na nga. Sabi ni Kuya na nandun sa receptionist daw, na i-release na daw dun sa Carpintero yung aking Google AdSense mail. So, i-wait ko na lang at saka binigay ko, sinulat ko yung address ko, yung full name details ko doon. Tapos, i-update niya ako. Kapag wala naman daw, mag-bounce back, tapos babalik sa kanya dito sa my mail section. So, nasa likod yun guys, kasi kanina yung pinuntahan ko, nasa harap. So, syung lang, diba? So, guys, ngayon, tapos na tayo. So, I would need to check on our receptionist dun sa tower namin kung mayroon sila na-receive. Kasi dun sa mailbox namin, wala talaga siya. So, ayun na nga guys. See you later! So today, nandito ulit tayo sa PhilPost. So dito tayo sa likod kasi airmail yan. So, bakit ako nandito ngayon? Ayan ang ating alamin. So, tingnan natin. Ayan na guys! We're done! So, mamaya pag-uwi natin, bakit ako nasa labas ngayon guys? Ayan, see you later! So today around 2:36 p.m. in the afternoon, January 12, 2021. Yesterday, kasi I went outside yesterday guys, January 11, 2021. And he called me back and he asked me to go back there and if I have a time today, so I immediately go there or there now. And then when I arrive, he get his logbook and he asked me if I have a valid ID. So I give my ID, I give my valid ID. Then he asked me to sign my name, signature, and the day today, which is January 12, 2021. And after that, guys, he gave me this. I got my AdSense mail. So I finally got this guys. This was sent October 25, 2021 last year. And it takes October, November, December, January. So 3.5 months po bago ko siya makuha. January 11, yesterday, pumunta ako ng post office kasi nga nagtanong na ako kung may dumating na nga after. Kasi after that guys, this month, January, when the last time I log on my Google AdSense, I think Monday, when I opened my Google AdSense website. So, I got a reminder there that I have less than 1 month to verify my PIN. Otherwise, my ads unit will stop displaying ads. So, this is the time I went to post office January 11 to ask if I have any Google ad mail. So, that's it guys. So, otherwise nga, mawalan tayo ng ads. So, that's the end of our video today. I want to thank each and every one of you po for supporting my videos po guys. Thank you very much from the bottom of my hypothalamus guys. So, ayun lang guys, na-share ko lang sa inyo na dumating ng aking Google AdSense po at hindi po ako kasi nag-verify. So, ito lang yung unang send ko sa kanila ng October at sinend nila sa akin. So, yun na nga po, hindi ako nag-send ng isa pang pin, mag-request pa. So, ito na yung una kong pin po. So, I hope na mag-work po siya. So, thank you very much guys. Thank you very much. Please like if you did enjoy my video today, and please do subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video guys, and see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys. Be good, take care, and be safe. And ciao.